Hi guys, my name is Brian from K-Dog Creations. Welcome back to my channel. So, I'm going to be using Mia Secrets. I just got these in the mail. I'm super excited to actually try these. I did prep these ones so that way when I open it up, they're actually just the powder. All I did was take off the little seals that were on it. All I did was just prep the nails. I just filed it a little bit. I'm just showing you guys how it actually applies to a nail bed, so that way you guys more or less know if it's pretty good or not. I recommend this one a lot more than sealing nails, trust me. This one doesn't dry as fast. If you want to learn how to do acrylics, Mia Secrets, yes. No, I'm a beginner at this. I'm learning as I go, you know? That's not bad, seriously. I mean, it looks like I have nothing on there, so I gotta put more, but... My honest opinion on these products by Mia Secrets, the Mia Secrets Acrylic Clear Powder, the Acrylic 3D White Powder, and the Mia Secrets Liquid Monomer, do they actually work? Are they good for beginners? Yes, they are. It's way easier to learn with these products. It's way better than the other ones that I actually have. This white is really beautiful. I love the way this white came out. The clear is extremely clear. I could imagine what it would look like on an actual nail form, a clear tip, or even if you're actually forming it out. And I hope you guys buy this product so that way you guys can start doing your nails. And this set right here was, I believe, $22.99, $22.99 for this product. And they do have the clear, the pink, and then the white, and they also have a multicolor pink balance or something like that. I'm not exactly sure, but you can mix match the colors that you want. I just wanted clear and white because I do have this 3D acrylic mold that I actually want to do a video on to see if it actually works or not. So that's why I bought the white with this one. So yeah, guys, if you guys are watching this and are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, become a part of the nail family. I will be posting more videos of me learning how to do acrylic with these products. I do love these products a lot, like I said. In the future, if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up on it, and I'll see you guys in the next video, okay? Bye.